Good morning,
Good afternoon.
good evening, wherever you're watching. Welcome to today's episode of Health First at Carver International College. Today we are tackling a subject that is often overlooked but deeply impacts our health. That is the health risk of processed foods. I hope you didn't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Carver International College on Facebook and YouTube. Now I would like to hand over to Lade, who will dive deeper into this topic. Lade, over to you.
Thank you, Dami. I am excited to dive deeper into this important topic. So, processed food, do you know what it is? I'm going to tell you what it's about. So, processed food refers to any food that has undergone significant transformation or any important transformation from its natural state through methods like milling, preservation, no adding of preservatives or artificial additives, and also packaging and dehydrating, which is very bad for our health. Then, these are some examples of processed foods. We have packaged drinks, packaged snacks like chips and crackers. We also have sugary drinks. We have refined grains like white breads and chocolate or sugary cereal, which is very bad for our teeth. Then we also have processed meats like sausages and hot dogs. Those are also very bad. That's taking them too much is very bad. Then now that we know what processed foods are and the examples, we should also know the health risks, that is dangers it does on our health. The number one that is very important is obesity and weight gain. Obesity and weight gain is going to have obesity because if you are taking too much of this food, it will cause excess fat in your body, which will make you not agile or fit anymore. For a young person, it's very bad because you know that taking drugs is very common in youngsters like us. Then we also have increased risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases, strokes, and type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is mostly caused from taking sugars and kidney stones. It's very bad, so see a doctor. Then we also have nutrient deficiency. If you're only taking junks all the time, it's going to make us have nutrient deficiency because we're not taking balanced diets, which is very bad. Then we also have cognitive decline. If you're anything cognitive, it means the brain. So cognitive decline, if you're only taking drugs as usual, it will not make your brain be able to like perform the normal way you should be performing, which is extremely bad. And we also have digestive problems. Most of these junk foods, they don't have enough fiber. And you know, fiber is one that gives us more easy digestion. And if they lack it, you're going to have digestive problems. So that is all I have to say on processed foods.
Thank you, Larry. That was very inspirative, education and touching. Now that I've known about processed food and the health risks of processed food, it's time to know dangers of these processed foods and tips to reduce processed food intake. Over to you, Dami.
Thank you, Promise.
Now that we know all what Larry has told us, we have to know why processed foods are harmful. The first point is they are high in unhealthy fats. Fats are generally good for the body, but when they come in excess quantity, they become unhealthy and cause obesity, as she has said. They are high in added sugars. As she said, sugars are not good for the body. They cause diabetes, type 2 diabetes in particular, and that's actually excess sugar. Another reason why processed food are harmful is because they contain high amounts of sodium. So sodium is a mineral in the body, but when they come in excess quantity, yes, they concrete, which causes kidney stones, and that nobody wants kidney stones because they are very painful and bad. Low in essential nutrients. They contain high amounts of nutrients that are not really needed in the body, but they are very low in the essential nutrients as they have gone through many processes. They can be addictive, which means once we take it once, we will not want to really take it again. They contain artificial preservatives and additives, and we all know artificial preservatives are chemicals, and not all chemicals are good for the body. So now that we know the reason why they are harmful, we have to know tips to reduce processed food intake. The first point is to read labels. Reading labels helps us to know the ingredients that are in the food. So it is advisable to take foods with lesser ingredients. We should cook home meals. Cooking home meals means cooking food from the scratch. We should not buy processed food outside, but cooking from the scratch. Then eat fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and legumes, as she said the other time. Reduce sugar intake. We should reduce our sugar intake because it causes excess sugar, as I said earlier, causes diabetes. So the best method is just to reduce our sugar intake, plan meals and snacks ahead. This means that instead of an impromptu like buying of processed meal, like, oh, I already have some fruit stacked or some meal stacked already. These are few of my points. Thank you.
Oh, that was really amazing, Gami. Thanks for the enlightenment. So now that we know the dangers of taking processed foods and how to reduce our processed food intake, we should know types of healthy foods that we have. So, promise, can you please help us on that?
Thank you, Ladi. Now let's take this conversation a step further. Healthy foods. They are classified into two. You have whole foods and healthy snacks. Under whole foods, you have fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh, you know that fresh is something newly harvested or produced from the farmer or the garden. And now you have our cucumbers, watermelon, and these are they serve a lot of purpose to our body, hydration and also natural foods. Then also our vegetables, our tomatoes, our final triangulated that is water leaf, ugu leaf, and our spinach and all those things. Being fresh is good for our body. Then another is to lean proteins. Lean proteins means not too high, not too much of protein and not too like moderate. Exactly. Thank you. That is we have our beans, our chicken, our turkey. And please precaution for this. If you're not able to have like poultry farm, because not all people have poultry farms at home. Please, your beans, your chicken, soak them in hot water for a few minutes so that it absorbs the chemicals. They will dissolve into water before cooking. And also we have our nuts. These are edible foods that are enclosed in wooden or hard pods, like our coconuts, our walnuts, they call it asala, and our groundnuts as well. Then we have our whole grains. Under this we have our brown rice. No, brown rice does not contain a lot of processing. It's still not natural. Also our whole grain crackers. Whole grain crackers is best made at home because we know that yes, this is a trusted source. Also we have fermented yogurt, and this also is best made at home and taken at home because we know that yes, this one is natural and it's without preservatives. Then go to healthy snacks. Fresh fruit and vegetables also happens to be under this group. You know, when fruit salad was like really
Yes. Everyone loved it.
like you know too. And also have vegetables as well. Then we have nuts. Nuts also happens to be there. Salad, walnuts, groundnuts, nuts, exactly. Then we have vegetable stuff like broccoli, spinach, lettuce. They perform the various functions in our body, and being taken natural is good for our body. Various functions as well. In conclusion, processed food seem convenient and easy for us. You know, when you have there's this one in my area, let me people get fast food. It's still convenient, it's still easy, but they pose significant and great risks and threats to our health life.
Yes.
Therefore, say no to processed foods.
I hope you enjoyed and learned from this episode. Don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe to National College on Facebook and YouTube.
stay tuned.